This is one of the largest cities in the world, and you've probably never heard of it. This place has been branded the Cyberpunk capital of the world, and to 32 million people, this is general day-to-day life. This place is crazy. In this video, I'm going to take you on a guided tour around the city. After dark, this place comes alive under a neon glow. This is Chongqing in China.
Welcome to Chongqing, China. This is the Cyberpunk capital of the world. In this video, I'm going to take you around the famous spots of this city and give you a bit of a guided tour and the places that you need to visit when you come to Chongqing. Welcome to the Shabati area of Chongqing. This is seen as a little bit of an ancient town, but actually that's a bit of a lie. It's only about 3 or 4 years old, but it's definitely a popular spot. There's lots of shops and there's lots of food places as well that you can eat in, but as you can see, it gets fairly busy. So this Chongqing sign is saying hot and spicy, and that is definitely what this city is, the home of the hot pot.
I'm not gonna lie, I've got no idea what these ducks are doing. This is the inside of a silver shop, and the dragon in the earlier clip is at the entrance to the shop.
We're now heading to Wuzhong, which is the Cyberpunk central of Chongqing, where the famous bright lights are. This is the famous Cyberpunk corner. You've got Spider-Man climbing the walls, and neon lights galore. Fancy seeing you here, mate.
Hello, mate.
How you doing?
There's so many different angles you can view this place from, and I definitely recommend taking a lift or an escalator to get a different perspective of the neon glow.
So this is Bai Yi Street, which is famous for its street food. I've been told to try the shrimp balls, so I've ordered them, and Bai Yi means eat one, and I guess that means because you can eat as much as you want in one street. So we've come off the main strip now and into one of the food markets indoors. Blimey, it just keeps on going. There's more down there. Still got the bright lights too. We've got spinning here. Kind of mussels or shrimps. Going for my first sip of milk tea. A little bit like just like a milkshake with tea tinge to it. Very thick and cream, so my straw's a bit stuck.
This statue is at the heart of the Jiefeng Bay district, and it commemorates the liberation of Chongqing. It's a popular meeting spot in the city, and it is great for people watching, and it's a little bit like Times Square in New York. We got a little wet walking round, but the rain really added to the atmosphere, and the reflections from the lights were incredible. Our next stop was the Chongqing Art Centre, and at night it glows red and the beams look like a pile of chopsticks. In a random back street I spotted a booth, and inside the booth was a robot, and for about £2 or $3 the robot will make you an ice cream. Use the touchscreen and select what flavour you want and then watch it work its magic. We made our way towards the Jiling River and one of the most iconic buildings in Chongqing. On our way we passed over a stilted walkway which had incredible views over the river.
Behind me is Honyadon, which is probably the hottest place in the world right now. It is going viral everywhere with hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. So let me show you what it's like close up and personal.
The golden glow of Honyadon has become a viral sensation over the last few years. Inside it's full of bars, restaurants and shops, and I even managed to get my ears cleaned. There's a YouTube short on my channel of me getting my ears cleaned, but it's not for the faint-hearted.
I've now come up from Honyadon to the big red bridge, which is the Chen Suman Bridge, and from here you get a really good view over the yellow lights of Honyadon.
There's lots of China content across my different social media platforms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask any questions in the comments.